Hello there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Teacher Jaime. And before we continue, don't ever forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be updated for all the latest videos I have. Alright, so for today's vlog, we're going to talk about subject-verb agreement rule number 1. So class, rule number 1 is the cornerstone of all the rules in subject-verb agreement. And this is the most important rule of all. Now, what is rule number 1? Simple as this. If the subject is singular, the verb is also singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb is also plural. Now, the question is, how do we know that the subject is singular? When we say singular, or when we say that the subject is singular, it refers to one doer of the action or single person who is doing the action. For example, Anna. Anna is a subject or Anna is a singular subject because she's only one, that singular subject. Now, how do we know that the subject is plural? When we say plural subject, it refers to the doers of action, which is two or more. Two doers of action, 200, 1,000 until millions, they are considered as plural because plural talks about two or more doers of the action. For example, Anna and Maria. The name Anna and Maria, this refer to two persons, Anna and Maria. And they are considered as plural because plural is two or more doers of the action in the sentence. Same as with students. Students, that's considered as plural because when we say students, it means that many students, not just one, but two or more students. Teachers, dogs, and many more. So that's the difference between singular and plural subject. Again, when we talk about subject, it talks about the doer of the action in the sentence. Example, Anna dances on the floor. The subject is Anna, who is singular, and she dances on the floor. For plural subject, Anna and Maria dance on the floor. Now see the difference. In the first sentence I used, Anna dances on the floor. Try to observe the verb being used. We use the S form, dances, because our subject is singular, who is Anna. While on the second sentence, Anna and Maria dance on the floor. The subject is Anna and Maria, and they are two, and they are considered as plural. Now the sentence goes this way. Anna and Maria dance on the floor. Now we use the verb dance, base form, or the original form of the verb, considering that our subject is plural, who is Maria and Anna. Okay, let's recap what we have learned today. Again, when we say singular subject, it talks about one doer of the action in the sentence. And when we say about plural, it talks about the two or more doer of the action in the sentence. Because in the rule number 1, the subject really affects its verb. Because if it is singular, then the verb is singular. And if it is plural, the verb is also plural. That's rule number 1 using the present tense or the present tense. Present tense. When we talk about present or present tense, it is a time. When we say tense, it means time. Present means the action is happening right now, right this moment. When we talk about Anna dances on the floor, that's a fact that Anna is dancing right now. Same as when we talk about Anna and Maria dance on the floor. That means that these two persons or these plural subjects are doing the action right now. That makes it present. Again, let's recall rule number 1 in subject-verb agreement. If the subject is singular, the verb is also singular. And if the subject is plural, the verb is also plural. Again, when we say about singular subject, it talks about only one doer of the action in the sentence. Anna, Mark, Henry, student, teacher, they are singular. Whereas, talking about plural, Anna and Maria, students, teachers, they are considered as plural subject. Now, since we've talked about it and you've learned something, it's your time to do it. Now I ask you to make your sentence. Sentence number 1 is about a singular subject, and sentence number 2 is about plural subject. And please bear in mind that in this sentence of yours, try to use present tense or present tense, the present action which is happening right now. Alright, so job well done. Congratulations to everyone. I hope it will help you to learn English as our international language. Now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be updated for the next videos which I'm going to talk about learning English. Goodbye everyone, and thank you for watching. God bless.